Uh, Hi everyone, I am Shitish and I recently got the all course bundle from 30 Days Coding platform. I was looking to enhance my coding skill and this bundle seemed like the perfect fit for me. My experience with the courses were that the course have been absolutely amazing. They cover a wide range of topics and everything is explained in such a clear and simple way. I especially love the platform, made even tough concept easy to understand. One of the highlight for me was hand-on coding exercise and project. They helped me build confidence and apply what I learned right away. And one of the best moment was completing the uh, all the courses I have studied, like for example JavaScript challenges, and also I have uh, study the course of full stack development. It was so rewarding to see my code come to life and know I could solve real world problems. Another thing I really appreciate was how interactive the platform is and have instant feedback on my progress. Overall, the 30 days coding platform has been a game changer for me. If you are looking to boost your coding skills or even start from scratch, I highly recommend this bundle and it's worth every penny and it's a great investment in your future. Thank you 30 days coding for such an amazing learning experience. I am excited to keep apply these skills in my project.